Most people panic when Steam says, "Already redeemed," but here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the card is not stolen or broken. It simply got redeemed on a different account, or there is a syncing issue with Steam's system. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix the Steam gift card, already redeemed error, in 2026, and recover your balance step by step. Let's start with the most common cause. First, check if you are on the correct Steam account. This sounds basic, but it is the #1 mistake. Many users like Alex have multiple accounts and forget which one they used. If the code was redeemed on another account, Steam will always show, "Already redeemed," on the current one. Now here's where it gets interesting. Steam gift cards are tied directly to the account that redeems them. Once used, they cannot be transferred. So if John accidentally typed the code on a different login, the balance is permanently linked there. Next, check your Steam purchase history. Go into your wallet or account details and look for recent transactions. Sometimes the balance is already added, but the user doesn't notice it. It just sits in Steam Wallet quietly, ready to use. But here's the problem many people miss. Steam sometimes has syncing delays. If you redeem the code but close the app too fast, the balance may not show immediately. Log out completely, restart Steam, and log back in. This refresh often fixes display issues. Now let's talk about a very important step. Check your email connected to Steam. If the card was redeemed successfully, Steam usually sends a confirmation message. If you see that email, it confirms the balance is already used. If none of that works, the next step is account security. Change your Steam password immediately. Why? Because if you did not redeem the card yourself, someone else may have accessed your account. Enable Steam Guard for extra protection. Here's another scenario most users don't think about. If you bought the card from a third-party seller, there is a chance it was already redeemed before purchase. In that case, you will need to contact the retailer with proof of purchase. Finally, if everything still looks wrong, Steam support is your last option. Provide your code, receipt, and account details. If there is a system error, they can trace where the code was redeemed. So to summarize, already redeemed usually means wrong account, hidden balance, sync delay, or previous use. Once you check these properly, most issues get resolved quickly. If this helped you fix your Steam issue, leave a comment with your situation, like the video, and subscribe for more simple Steam troubleshooting guides that actually work.